Hey everyone, welcome back to Looplacrochetstudio. Today we are here making a simple clean 4-inch crochet square using simple crochet. This is a perfect start for beginners who are learning edges, tensions and counting. The supplies I'll be using today is a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, some worsted weight yarn. So let's begin. So we'll start by making our slip knot and chaining 16. We'll insert our hook, 2 chains from the hook, and make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in every stitch across. At the end, you should have 15 single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet in every stitch across. chain 1 and turn. Here I've added some more rows, and if you have an issue getting your edges straight, just get 2 stitch markers. So I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna turn my work, and I'm gonna make a single crochet in the first stitch on the hook, and this first stitch here you'll place your stitch marker, and you continue across. And then I'll place my last stitch right where I have the stitch marker. Chain 1 and turn, make a single crochet, and you place your stitch marker on the both loops of the single crochet. And here you have it, straight edges. The tip of the day to get your edges straight is to use stitch markers and always count your stitches. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe for more. In my next video, I'll show you how to make a triangle. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.